Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix you were kicked from this experience on Roblox. So I have three ways here that we're going to do on how you can fix this error. So first of all, go to your search box right here at the bottom and then search for Windows Firewall. And then here you just need to find the allow an app. So allow an app through Windows Firewall. So click on this option here and then it will show you this option. Now as you can see, all you need to do is just click on the change settings button and allow another app. So from here, you just need to click on browse and find the Roblox folder. Basically, it is found on drive C, then program files times 86, and then you will find there the Roblox file and then versions, and then click on the most recent version and then Roblox player beta, then click open. Then select add, then just do it again. You just need to allow again another app, but then you just need to put the Roblox player launcher. Now once you've added all those program or apps on Windows Defender Firewall, you just have to restart your computer and then you just need to reopen your Roblox. Now the second way here on how you can fix that you were kicked in this experience error, you just need to open your Google Chrome and then from here click on the three dots at the top right hand corner and then click on clear browsing data. Now here you just need to choose this basic tab and check this browsing history and all time and then click on clear data. Then once you've done right here, you can try to reopen your Roblox and it should be fixed the issue. Now the third way here that you're going to do is you just have to wait. So you just need to keep trying in a few days, then see if it fixed the error on your Roblox. So that's how you basically fix your kick from this experience on Roblox. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.